Craving a tropical escape? The island of Huahine, nestled in the Society Islands of French Polynesia, beckons with its sapphire waters and lush landscapes. But the journey to paradise begins with a flight, and savvy travelers know the secrets to finding the best deals. Air Tahiti reigns as the primary airline whisking adventurers to Huahine, offering a fleet of modern, amenity-rich aircraft. With a reputation for stellar customer service, they ensure your voyage is as breathtaking as the destination. For those departing from Maria, Air Maria provides a scenic alternative, with smaller planes that promise stunning aerial views. TAHITI, the vibrant capital of French Polynesia, serves as the main gateway to Huahine. From here, a mere 45-minute flight can transport you to island serenity. Air Tahiti's multiple daily flights make connecting from international destinations a breeze, offering flexibility for your travel itinerary. While Air Tahiti enjoys a monopoly on this route, they still entice travelers with periodic promotions. Flight costs fluctuate with seasonal demand, competition levels, and currency exchange rates. For instance, peak travel times often see higher prices, while off-peak periods could mean more wallet-friendly skies. To snag the best deals, early booking is key. Even with limited airline options, price comparisons can unearth hidden gems. Flexibility with travel dates pays off, with midweek flights often costing less than weekend departures. And don't forget to sign up for airline and travel website alerts to catch exclusive discounts. With these tips, your dreamy Huahine getaway is just a flight away. Book with a French Polynesia specialist at Far and Away Adventures.